Hi everyone, my name is Tilly Edwards and today I'm going to be doing a presentation about vitamin B12. This water-soluble vitamin has many roles in the body that are essential for normal functioning. Vitamin B12 is absorbed in the stomach with intrinsic factors' help. Intrinsic factor binds to vitamin B12 and absorbs into your blood and your cells. If you consume excess vitamin B12, your liver stores it for future use. Unlike other water-soluble vitamins, B12 is stored in large amounts in the liver. Other water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C, thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, folate, pantothenic acid, and biotin are not stored in large amounts and need to be more frequently consumed. One of the many roles that vitamin B12 has in your body is that it assists with formation of blood cells. Every minute, the body produces millions of red blood cells. Without vitamin B12, new blood cells couldn't multiply properly. If vitamin B12 isn't consumed in the daily recommended amount of at least 2.4 micrograms daily, red blood cells levels decrease, which can cause anemia. Another role is that it helps to maintain a healthy nervous system and protection and growth of nerve fibers. Vitamin B12 is an important factor in maintaining and protecting the nervous system and nerve fibers. A substance called myelin covers brain and nerve cells, and vitamin B12 is an essential part of making myelin. This myelin sheath ensures fast and effective transmission of impulses. Damage to the sheath causes disrupted transmission of impulses and can ultimately lead to dementia and other neurological problems. Another role that vitamin B12 plays in the body is that it assists with DNA synthesis. Vitamin B12 plays an important role in DNA synthesis by helping ensure and provide a stable structure. It ensures that the centromere of a chromosome are strong and able to hold the chromosome together. A deficiency of vitamin B12 may result in DNA damage. There are many food sources in which we can obtain vitamin B12, but some are shellfish, all cuts of meat such as beef, fish, and chicken, and milk, other dairy products, and fortified cereals are all great sources that contain adequate amounts of B12. 3 ounces of shellfish equals 0.6 micrograms of vitamin B12. 1 cup of chicken equals 0.4 micrograms. 1 cup of 1% fat milk equals 1.1 micrograms. 3/4 of a cup of fortified cereal equals 3.2 micrograms. Vegans, pregnant women, and breastfeeding women are all at risk for deficiency. Vitamin B12 is found in many animal products. If your body does not produce enough intrinsic factor or you don't consume enough B12, you may be at risk for vitamin B12 deficiency. Supplements are available for individuals who are at risk, such as vegans and pregnant or breastfeeding women. The foods listed above are high in B12 and if consumed should give you the daily recommended amount. Supplements are available for all individuals who are at risk for vitamin B12 deficiencies. Supplements may be most appealing to vegans because they are synthetically made and do not originate from an animal product. There are several different quantities that you can get your supplement in, ranging from 150 micrograms to 2,000 micrograms. There are also different forms that are available to take, such as pills, chewable tablets, drinks, and injections. Some fun facts about vitamin B12 is that its vitamin name is cobalamin. Some people may recognize this name. It is recommended that adult men and women consume 2.4 micrograms per day to supply the body with adequate vitamin B12. As mentioned above, it is a water-soluble vitamin. Deficiencies of this vitamin may cause tingling and numbness in the extremities such as arms, hands, legs, and feet. Nerve damage is another common sign of vitamin B12 deficiency because B12 aids in the production and maintenance of nerve fibers. Other signs include memory loss, disorientation, and dementia. Vegans, vegetarians, and fruitarians are all at risk for vitamin B12 deficiency due to the absence of animal product consumption. It is recommended that these individuals, along with pregnant and breastfeeding women, take vitamin B12 supplements to ensure that they are getting the daily recommended intake. In conclusion, vitamin B12 is an essential nutrient that our body cannot make on its own. We must consume it through foods or supplements. There is a rich supply in animal products such as meats and dairy, fortified foods, and supplements.